Hello students, today we'll be learning about angles and triangles. So, there's different types of angles. There's the acute angle, meaning it's less than 90 degrees. The right angle, where here it is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, meaning it is bigger than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle, if it is exactly 180 degrees, that is a line. It's also called a straight angle. And the reflex angle, it measures greater than 180, so more than 180, but less than 360. 360 degrees is all the way around. Now, angles, if they are next to each other and share the same common vertex, that's just one side, there's angle 1 and angle 2. These are called adjacent angles. Complementary angles are angles that measure 90 degrees. Angle 1 and angle 2 here together, add together, are 90 degrees. Supplementary angles, the angles are 180 degrees when angle 1 and angle 2 are added together. And vertical angles, when there's two lines that cross, the two angles that are diagonal from each other are called vertical angles. They have the same degree and they are the same measurement. Triangles. There's different types of triangles. If you go by sides, there's the equilateral triangle, means all three sides are the same size. Isosceles triangle means only two of the sides are equal and the same. Scalene triangle, none of the sides are the same. Now, if we talk about triangles with their angle measurements, then if all three angles are less than 90 degrees, it's called an acute triangle. Kind of like when the degree was less than 90 in the previous page, if you remember. That is an acute angle, but now this one is called an acute triangle. Now, if it is exactly 90 degrees, there's one angle that's exactly 90 degrees, it's called a right triangle. We don't look at the other angles, just as long as there's one of them that's 90 degrees, then it's a right triangle. And for the obtuse triangle, it's if there is one angle that is more than 90 degrees, then it is an obtuse triangle. Once again, we don't care what the size of the other two are, as long as this one side is larger than 90 degrees. That's because the angles in a triangle, all of them together, add up to 180. So these two sides will be both less than 90 degrees, same as these. Last thing I want you to know for this lesson is the Pythagorean theorem, and this only works for right triangles. There are three sides. If there is a right angle, it is a right triangle, then we could use this calculation. Side A squared plus side B squared equals the side C squared. We usually say A squared plus B squared equals C squared. All right, I hope you have fun learning about triangles and angles.